Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to KD's Empire, and we got another interesting video for you guys to check out today. So today's video is going to be about a woman gets pregnant, but her husband has had a vasectomy. Yeah, let's get into the video.
Why I found it, y'all, and I got a vasectomy, so I know it ain't mine. So what's good?
You got a vasectomy?
Yeah, I got
and you didn't tell me.
No.
No. You got a vasectomy and you didn't tell me. We literally waited 4 years to have this kid, and you literally didn't tell me you got a vasectomy. We wanted kids. Didn't you want a child?
Why are you pregnant?
What do you mean? Why am I pregnant?
How are you pregnant? It ain't mine.
Don't even go. You got a vasectomy.
I got a vasectomy. What you mean? I'm trying to figure out how you're pregnant.
So you basically just don't trust me.
How can I trust you?
How can I trust you when you got a vasectomy and didn't tell me?
I was going to tell you.
With 4 years wasted and we planned our lives, around children.
I know we were supposed to have kids together, not you run off and go have a kid with another
So why did you get a vasectomy? I'm confused. I still don't understand. You went behind my back and got a vasectomy, knowing that you wanted kids with me. What's wrong with me? Why am I not good enough for you or something?
Why are you pregnant?
What you mean?
How are you pregnant though?
Why didn't you tell me? You don't trust me?
It ain't mine.
You don't believe me?
No, it ain't mine.
No. Why do you tell me though? Like you don't trust me?
I'm telling you now. What you mean?
When did you get a vasectomy?
Like 3 months ago. Does that matter? Because you're pregnant now and it's definitely not mine. So who is the father?
So why are we even married? I don't understand.
Because I loved you. That's why.
So this child, you gonna love this child too?
No, I'm not. Not if that's not my kid. I'm not loving no kid that's not mine.
Didn't you want children?
I want children, but not from another. Like, who is the father? Who you been?
You tell me you wanted children.
Who you been?
My back and got a vasectomy though.
Who you been?
Bro, you a liar.
I'm the liar.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Are you serious? But I'm the liar?
Get that camera out my face. This is serious, bro.
I am serious. What do you mean? What are you crying for? I'm the one should be crying.
Okay, I'm not.
You don't want out if somebody else got pregnant.
You a whole lot. You got a vasectomy without
you
telling
brought
me.
A whole nother family. Like, what is your?
You are lying on me. Why you automatically assume I'm cheating on you when you literally lied?
How do you
our
get
marriage
pregnant?
is based on trust. Our marriage is based on trust, and you literally just.
How did you get pregnant though? You talking about trust you? How am I trust you?
How am I gonna trust you when you're making decisions by yourself that should be together? You should be happy that
you made a decision by yourself. Well, apparently it wasn't by yourself. Apparently it was with somebody else.
You should be happy that
because it wasn't me. I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
That is not true.
How are you pregnant?
True. By God, lucky God came to save us.
Don't bring God into this, bro. Don't you do that? No. I do not want to hear that.
You know I wanted children. You got a vasectomy though?
Why are you pregnant? Why?
What do you mean why? Because I wanted to get pregnant by you. That's how you get pregnant.
I know. I know, but you definitely pregnant.
So why did you get a vasectomy?
I can't
Wait,
get you
hold on.
pregnant.
Why did you get a vasectomy if you wanted children with me? Are you else then? And then you get mad when I get wind up pregnant?
What?
No, you must, because you wanted children with me and didn't tell me you got a vasectomy 3 months ago, which don't make no sense when you know I wanted to have kids. You know I wanted to have a kid.
How you gonna make this about me when you the one pregnant?
What you mean? It's always about you. You always go and run off and make some random decision by yourself without even asking me. And you still gonna record me like I'm some animal on a
You know what? I'm done. Just bro, because I'm not finna be taking care of another kid.
If I leave, I'm never coming back. Another kid? How many kids you got?
What are you talking about? I said.
What am I talking about? Why did you go and get a vasectomy? Another kid? I didn't know about no other kid.
Get out. I don't even want to talk about it.
So you talking about get out?
Get
you
out.
There for 4 years. I barely even know you.
Get out. And take your.
All right. I'm kind of curious. I feel like both of them were a little bit on the sketchy side on both parties. So why in the world, what possessed you to go and get a vasectomy 3 months ago? What possessed you to go get a vasectomy 3 months ago? And then she pops out and says that she's pregnant. Pregnant by who? Who have you been? Who else have you been engaged with? I need to know. And I mean, this is a classic try to flip things around on the other person. Listen, yes, he was wrong for going to go get the vasectomy without talking to his wife. And y'all had already talked about having children, and your lives are supposed to be, around having children. Okay, I respect that. But that still does not justify you getting pregnant by someone else. In what world does that make sense? And then, fellas, you got to be careful. When you see them doggone tears in the waterworks, man, listen, there are a lot of great actresses out there. Great actresses. And you cannot be fooled by them tears. You can't be fooled by the waterworks, man. Stay strong. All right. It was clear that this young lady was wrong. He was wrong too, but it was clear that she was way out of line because honestly, a vasectomy can be reversed. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe a vasectomy can be reversed. I think so. I actually had a buddy that did that, and I believe he said that it was reversible. Y'all let me know down in the comments, but I believe you can that can be reversed as well as a young lady getting her tubes tied or whatever. But you went out and had a child. You got pregnant by somebody else. So are you out here having unprotected? You're married. We were supposed to be married. And honestly, in the end, I think that he did the correct thing, which was let's go about your business, man. I mean, you've had a child. You did exactly what it is that you wanted to do. You made that decision. Now go on about your doggone business. Respectfully. But I want to hear from y'all, man. What do you guys think down in the comments about this particular video? Let's talk about it, man. Do y'all think that he was more in the wrong? Do y'all think that she was more in the wrong? Do y'all think that both parties just need to get their ish together? Y'all let me know down in the comments. Let's talk about it. All right. Y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was they roll.